Hey internet, today I have a Kawaii unboxing video for you. I'm really excited. And is it just me or does this box look different? I feel like it's longer where it's usually a little bit taller. I don't know, I feel like it's playing mind games with me. It just looks like it might be a little bit longer than usual. But with that said, let's get right into the unboxing. So this is October's box. Oh, it's Kawaii Halloween. That is so cute and so appropriate. Violet's gonna have a Halloween party in a couple weeks and I cannot wait to go. She's gonna let me do some decorating of her place, so I'm really excited. I cannot wait to deck it out. So cute. Okay, let's start with this onigiri. Yeah, it's a little onigiri kawaii plushie. I love it. Oh, I wish this was a little bit more like metal or something, because then I could probably hang it off my backpack. Yeah, it would be super weird, but I still think it's really cool. And then we have this little ghost squishy. I'm pretty sure it's a squishy. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's take it out of the bag. It is so adorable. You guys know I'm not like a huge squishy person, but I really like this one. It's so cute. It feels a little empty here. I don't know. Hollow squishy. That's cute. Okay, what is this? It's like a... Ooh, it's like a compact. Okay, I'm not gonna shine you guys, although you can see Kawaii hungry. Kawaii's this hungry cat. You guys can see the camera. But yeah, oh, this is perfect. I actually really needed one to take to work because I don't bring any makeup anymore to work. I don't know why. I've just suddenly become very low maintenance, so this is good. I'm gonna take that. And I think this is some candy. Okay, it's a Japanese snack. It's like a corn snack or something, like a stick of puff corn or something. I will enjoy that later. And this is, oh, little post-it notes. There we go. Hello Kitty. And another Hello Kitty here. And you just kind of use them like that on your planner. Can never have enough of this, although you probably can because I have a lot, but I will not turn it down. What's this? It's like a card holder. Oh yeah, so you have some adhesive back here and you can stick it to the inside of your planner or something and then it just holds your cards. And then this, okay, this looks like a bag charm. It's a little bit squished though, because I think it's been sitting inside this box for a long time. It has been squished. You can see it's like dented on the inside, but I wonder if I can kind of pop him back out a little bit or if he's permanently stuck. All right, you can kind of pop him out, but his eye's a little bit smudged. Oh, that's such a bummer because this actually is really cute. I would totally hang this off my backpack. I still will, to be honest. I'm not going to stop myself just because his eye's a little smudged. But I don't know why there's like a cut in his back. Like, I don't feel like you could put anything in it because then it'll be hard to get out. But I'm totally hanging this on my bag for sure. And then the last item, oh no, that's not the last item, there's more. It's like a little stationery set where you've got pencils, lids, sharpener, eraser, and ruler. This is like perfect for kids. You know what, I'm not gonna open it because I might give this away, but that's really cute. And then we have some post-it notes, really cute, and then some Halloween stickers. Oh, this is so cool. I think you get 2 sheets. I'm not sure. It feels like 2 sheets. Just a bunch of pumpkins and they're really tiny and you have a black cat too. Love this. I'm definitely going to use this. So yeah, that's everything in this month's Kawaii unboxing. No pens or anything, so I've got nothing to test. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I actually really love this unboxing because of the Halloween theme. And there's actually stuff in here I plan to use. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.